back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Is your backyard missing that magical touch? That one element that transforms a simple outdoor space into a peaceful, spa-like retreat? If the answer is yes, then you need to listen up. Today we are diving into the mesmerizing world of backyard water fountains. Get ready for instant relaxation because we're counting down the top 10 best backyard water fountain ideas that will completely elevate your home. So, what exactly are we talking about? A backyard water fountain is essentially an artificial, decorative water feature designed for outdoor spaces. It circulates water, often using a hidden pump, to create a continuous flow, whether it's a gentle trickle, a powerful jet, or a cascade over stones. They range from simple bubbling stones to complex, multi-tiered sculptural pieces. Fundamentally, they are an outdoor accent that brings the serene sound and sight of moving water right to your doorstep. They act as a focal point, drawing the eye and adding a layer of sophistication to your landscape design. Now let's talk about why you need one. The benefits of installing a backyard water fountain go far beyond just aesthetics. The most immediate benefit is the therapeutic effect. The gentle, rhythmic sound of running water is nature's best white noise. This sound can mask unwanted noise pollution from traffic, neighbors, or construction, creating a true pocket of quiet serenity. This natural soundscape is known to lower stress hormones, reduce anxiety, and promote a feeling of calm and relaxation, essentially turning your backyard into your own personal Zen garden. Spending time near the soothing sounds can even improve your focus and sleep quality. From a design perspective, a water fountain is a powerful landscape feature. It provides a striking focal point, adding visual interest, movement, and a sense of luxury to any yard, no matter the size. Water features are also a wonderful way to attract wildlife. Birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects will be drawn to the fresh water source, making your garden a more vibrant and biodiverse environment. Furthermore, the presence of moving water can subtly increase the humidity in the immediate area, which is beneficial for surrounding plants, helping them thrive, especially during dry spells. You've got your fountain, but how do you make it look spectacular? Decoration is key to integrating the water feature seamlessly into your overall backyard design. First, start with lighting. As you'll see in some of our top ideas, subtle, submersible LED lights, especially in blue or white, can dramatically transform a fountain at night, highlighting the movement of the water and creating a magical glow. For the surrounding area, think about ground cover. Using river stones, polished pebbles, or contrasting mulch creates a neat, intentional border that complements the fountain's material. Consider planting low-maintenance, moisture-loving greenery like hostas, ferns, or ornamental grasses right around the perimeter to soften the edges and create a more organic look. Second, to add character, incorporate thoughtful accessories. Large, decorative planters with colorful flowers can frame the fountain and add vertical interest. If your fountain has a basin, consider adding aquatic plants like water lilies or simple floating candles for an elegant touch. Always ensure the decorations match the scale of the fountain and your yard. A large, ornate fountain needs substantial plantings and accessories to hold its own, while a smaller, modern piece looks best with minimalist styling. The goal is to make the fountain look like a natural, essential part of your landscape, not just an afterthought. Planning your purchase? Here are the best materials and elements to look for when choosing your perfect fountain. First, durable materials. Fiberglass or resin for lightweight, affordable, and highly detailed faux stone or wood designs. Second, natural stone. Granite, slate, or basalt for unmatched durability, a high-end look, and a natural organic feel that ages beautifully. Third, metals. Copper or stainless steel for a sleek, modern, and sculptural aesthetic. Copper develops a beautiful natural patina over time. Fourth, recycled or eco-friendly. Concrete for heavy, stable, and long-lasting fountains that can be molded into various classic and contemporary styles. Fifth, the pump. A submersible electric pump with a quiet motor is essential for reliable water circulation and minimal noise distraction. Sixth, filtration. A good filter system is crucial to prevent clogging and keep the water clear, especially if you have a lot of surrounding plant debris. Alright, enough with the groundwork. It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Here these the compilation of our top 10 best backyard water fountain ideas. 1. Classic Tiered Elegance Fountain. The timeless tiered classic. This classic weathered metal or stone fountain offers a traditional and ornate look, perfect for a cozy, cottage-style garden. The water gracefully cascades from the top finial to the scalloped basin, creating a gentle, soothing sound. Nestled among lush, manicured greenery and paired with a charming bistro set, it anchors a secluded garden patio, giving the space a romantic, historic feel. It's the ultimate focal point for a formal or semi-formal backyard. 2. Modern Geometric Stacker. The Sculptural Modern Stack. Embracing a minimalist and contemporary aesthetic, this fountain features sleek, black geometric shapes. A stacked design of inverted pyramids topped with a smooth sphere. Positioned centrally within a circular bed of mulch and polished river stones, it provides a striking high-contrast focal point against the backdrop of a perfectly manicured lawn and structured conical topiaries. This design is perfect for those who want their water feature to double as a modern art sculpture. 3. Triple Bowl Tranquility. Cascading Triple Bowl Design. This low-profile, contemporary design uses 3 varying sizes of dark, textured bowls, each bubbling with a small jet of water before gently spilling over the sides. Set on simple plinths and surrounded by a vast bed of bright white pebbles, the contrasting colors and clean lines create a dramatic, ultra-modern look. The multi-level arrangement adds depth and the sound of multiple small waterfalls, making it ideal for a patio or courtyard with a modern architectural style. 4. Pond Integrated Urn Fountain. The Integrated Pond and Urn. This sophisticated water feature beautifully merges a large, shallow, dark stone urn-style fountain with an integrated lily pond. The urn pours water into a main reservoir, while the adjacent half-circle section is dedicated to floating water lilies, creating a truly natural ecosystem. The setup is framed by neat, light-colored stone coping against a lush green lawn, offering a seamless blend of formal landscaping and organic water gardening. 5. Zen Sphere Focal Point. Textured Stone Orb Fountain. A mesmerizing and textural choice, this sphere-shaped fountain is covered in rich, dark slate or stacked stone, allowing the water to sheet and trickle over its entire surface. It's set on a bed of dark, polished river stones and surrounded by contrasting green and red foliage. Its round, grounding shape makes it an excellent choice for a cozy corner near a patio or pergola, providing the soothing sight and sound of a continuous, gentle rain. 6. Rustic Slab Table Fountain. Rustic Water Table Waterfall. This unique design uses a thick, natural-cut stone slab, elevated on a brick base, acting as a water table. The water gently bubbles up from the center and cascades over all 4 rough-hewn edges, creating multiple curtain-like waterfalls into a hidden reservoir below. This rustic, weighty feature doubles as a sculptural element near an outdoor dining or seating area, perfectly blending nature's raw beauty with functional design. 7. Illuminated Metal Sphere Fountain. Illuminated Stainless Steel Spheres. This stunning modern fountain is built around 3 varying sizes of highly polished stainless steel spheres, set amongst a bed of dark pebbles. At night, it's dramatically lit from below and inside by vibrant blue LED spotlights, which highlight the upward jet of water and create captivating reflections off the glossy surfaces. This is a show-stopping, evening-focused design that brings contemporary sparkle and energy to any patio or deck. 8. Basalt Bubble Fountain. Natural Basalt Bubbler. This fountain features a simple, dark, rounded stone that allows a forceful jet of water to bubble directly out of the top before spilling over the textured sides and into the river rock bed below. It is perfectly integrated into a natural, lush garden setting, surrounded by various textures of foliage and large, smooth river stones. The low profile and intense jet create a robust, yet grounding presence, ideal for a Japanese-inspired or woodland garden. 9. Large Garden Centerpiece Fountain. The Grand Circular Centerpiece. A magnificent focal point for a grand landscape, this large, tiered fountain is set in the middle of a circular brick-paved patio and surrounded by a manicured border of colorful shrubs, perennials, and small hedges. The wide, classical bowl design allows for a substantial spray of water, creating an impressive auditory and visual impact, perfect for large yards or circular driveways as a beautiful welcoming feature. 10. Simple Jet in the Grass. Simple solitary jet fountain. Sometimes less is more. This minimalist fountain features a single powerful jet of water shooting straight up from a simple round stone reservoir. The feature is nestled within a bed of tall, vibrant green grasses, which provide a beautiful natural contrast and soft backdrop. This simple, effective design maximizes the sound of the spraying water and is an excellent low-maintenance choice for maximizing impact in a naturalistic or grassy border. Well, from the tranquil elegance of the triple bowl design to the dramatic flair of the illuminated spheres, it's clear that a backyard water fountain is the ultimate upgrade for any outdoor space. Whether you're looking to create a space for quiet meditation, a stunning entertaining area, or simply a place to drown out the noise of the world, there is a perfect water feature out there waiting for you. Which of these top 10 fountains inspired your next project? Let me know in the comments below. Did we miss your favorite style? Also tell us. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more backyard brilliance, and ring that bell so you never miss our newest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.